Hey folks, how's it going today? It's Josh here again, back in the woods. I did about a 15-kilometer ride. Came into this beautiful location. I actually haven't been here before. I went on the Facebook page for this area, the ATV Club. And, a couple of the guys pointed me into this location, so figured I'd head out today, check it out. Just got camp set up, and as you can see, there's a beautiful river behind me. Try some fishing, I think, down there later. But yeah, so camp's set up, and I got to get some firewood because we're going to be cooking steak tonight, vegetables, have a couple brewskis by the fire, I think, and chill out. Well, I didn't have any luck with the fish, but I decided I was going to strip down and jump in and see if I could find them that way, but still nothing. Anyway, I'm all cooled off, freshened up. It's supper time, and gonna head back to camp there and get a steak on. Not sure if you can see that or not, but there's a whole bunch of little minnows just bopping around in the bubbles there. Looks like they're trying to go upstream, but they're not big enough. Alright, I got this neat little fire starter. It's made out of recycled material, and it's waxy. This is like a strip, and then they got this, it's almost like fat wood chips. It's by a company called Contain the Flame. It's a UK company. Anyway, I'll put a link in the video description. Alright, so tonight we're going to be cooking on the grill, and I got a really nice, ultralight, very portable grill. It's in a nice stuff sack as well. This is from Pamali. I'll put a link in the video description, but this thing is sweet. This is the grill, this is the stand. Super lightweight, so 2 of them have screws. That's what holds it all together. Once you have it like this, you just kind of put the rest of them through the middle, tighten it up, and you're good to go. Alright, I'm going to finish this up. Looks like it might rain. I don't know. It wasn't supposed to, but we'll see. Anyway, I'll get back to you in a minute. Oh, it's delicious. Alright folks, just finishing up some camp chores for the evening. And I'm not sure if it's going to rain. It looks like it might. It's so humid out today, I'm not even sure what the weather's going to be tonight. But what I am going to do is I think I'm going to make an awning over the hammock so I don't have to button it right down because it is still pretty hot out. I'm just going to get some sticks, set that up. That way I can still look out in the morning. Alright, so the sun's about to set there, folks. Just gonna hit the hay here pretty soon, just tidying up a little bit of the camp. And then I'll catch you guys in the morning. The bears didn't get me last night. There was lots of bear poop coming in here, so I was a little worried that might have an encounter last night, but it didn't happen, so that's always good. And it could have been because of the fire too. Once they smell the smoke, they don't kind of come around. But anyway, bears didn't show up, so I'm going to get breakfast on the go here. We got bacon and eggs and coffee, and let's get her done. Just finished putting the fire out and packed all my kit up. I'm gonna head out and catch you guys on the next one. More bear poop. Passed like 5 piles of it already.